Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Here we'll see a very simple thing, that is how to pay on Amazon. Well, many times it confuses us that so many payment methods, so which one would be better or which one should you do or what are all this method actually mean. So let us see how to pay on Amazon then. We'll open up our Amazon app. Well, I open my Amazon app. So here I'll not show you how to add products to your cart, but directly I'll go to my cart and go for all other formalities here. For example, I want to buy this. I'll proceed to buy one item, this goggles. Once I go here, I have to select my address, deliver to this address. So once I do that, so it's showing like Monday free delivery, almost like 4 to 5 days. I continue. So once I do that, yes, here the page will land for making the payment for Amazon. This is the page which I wanted to show you in this video. Well, once you come here, you can see many payment methods. Well, all my credit and debit cards are showing up here. So these are all through credit or debit card. Already some cards are saved in my Amazon account, so it's showing all the cards, those are saved. Apart from that, there are other payment methods such as UPI pay with bank account. So all my UPIs are also showing up here, like Amazon Pay UPI, other UPI, net bankings, UPI IDs or net bankings. Again, add a debit or credit card ATM. EMI not available, maybe for higher rates or larger price there will be some offers of EMI, and pay on delivery. Since it's difficult time, so pay on delivery is not actually available to maintain social distancing and all the things. So you can see all these payment methods are available. Credit and debit cards, once again I show you. Then UPI, it can be Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, etc. And of course more ways to pay. Other than UPI, there are something called net banking and other debit and credit card. So in due to this situation, we are not getting to avail this pay on delivery method or cash on delivery also, or else these things were also available before, like if you want to pay by cash directly, cash on delivery, or if you want to pay by card when the product comes to your home at your place, then it's called pay on delivery. So these are the things, these are the different ways through which you can pay on Amazon. So for me, for this order, I usually pay by my credit or debit card to get some points, of course. So I'll go by my card. I enter my CVV. So it's paying. I'll be getting an OTP for this credit card. Once I enter the OTP, my order will be placed. Let me see. Yeah, I've got my OTP. So thank you for shopping with us. Continue shopping or review or edit your recent orders. So all these things would come. So my order is placed. So I can see those things in my orders as well. Once I do that, yeah, arriving on Monday. So friends, I hope you saw how to pay or what are the different methods to pay in Amazon app. So I hope you found this useful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this different payment methods that are available in Amazon app. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So we'll be coming up with more of such videos. Keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.